Capital One Shopping, how does it work? So if you haven't heard of Capital One Shopping, you can see Meet Capital One Shopping, a free tool to find deals online. It is basically Capital One Shopping is a free browser tool that automatically searches for online coupons, better prices and rewards at over 30,000 online retailers. So if you're shopping on Amazon, if Capital One has some kind of promo code or some best deals, it will recommend you that. Not to install it on your browser, you can just click on this link that will take you to Capital One Shopping over here and add this to Chrome as an extension. And once you add it, next time whenever you're shopping over the 30,000 retailers, it will show you the best price and the best deals that you can actually get with it. So this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.